What's up, you guys? Today is like our first new video of the channel. My wife is at the nail shop right now. She's getting her toes and nails done. You know, I gotta keep her proper, you feel me? I gotta keep her nice. Actually, her sister actually paid for her toes to get done, but I paid for the nails. Her sister took her out on a little treat, so that was nice of her. Thank you D, thank you Daisy. I'm gonna get her for the nail shop. She thinks she's gonna have her nails all pretty, right? We're gonna dirty them things up with that chicken juice, okay? We're gonna show you how to cook the best air fried chicken wings you ever tasted in your life, man. Let's get straight into it. Your boy is back. Let's do it. Just put a juice in your mama's seat. She gonna kill you. You dig? She gonna kill you. It's in the bag. Yo, so what's up, man? What's been up with you guys, man? How you guys been? How you guys been living? Everything's been... Jesus Christ! That boy been getting all type of things, all type of gains, all type of love, okay? That boy been eating right, you feel me? That boy been lifting a little bit of weights, you feel me? That boy been taking care of himself, you know, not eating no fast food. This coronavirus probably be the best thing that ever happened to me. Speaking of coronavirus, I gotta go to the store and I forgot my mask. I ain't forgot my mask at home.
That's okay, Daddy.
We gotta go back to the house and get my mask.
But we need to pick up my mommy first.
We're gonna get your mama first, then we're going back and get that mask. I can't do it without the mask.
Look at my nails. This hand different. Do y'all like them? And no, I did not go to a nail shop to get them done.
I did them.
And no, he did not do them either.
Y'all want to tell her or y'all want me to tell her? Should I tell her?
This one like marble though.
No, should I tell you though? Should I tell you or should I let them tell you? You gonna find out anyway.
What?
Huh? We're gonna put these in like chicken blood.
No, we not.
Yeah, because they gotta like, see that chicken right there? You gonna have to, I'm gonna cut it up for you because you're not a pro. I want you to cut your fingers off, but when I cut them up, you're gonna have to marinate them in with the chicken juice and stuff on your pretty fingers. So.
No, we not finna do that.
Yeah, so.
I want to, this girl that I went to school with, high school with, she did them. So, I'm not going back to no nail shops. She finna be doing my nails for now.
Chicken nails.
They're not chicken nails.
For chicken.
Y'all gonna see my hair next. I'm finna get my natural hair done. She finna do it. Oh my God. Why you do that? She finna do my natural hair this week.
Let's
play too much.
cut the chicken. Okay, this is the drumette. This is a wingette. Drumette.
It was together, but he cut it straight down the middle.
Here's the whole wing.
He cut it straight down the middle, and then he cut off that end too.
So then you got a wingette. You can find wingettes and drumettes already separated.
But
go for it. But if not,
or you could buy a whole pack like we did. It came out, probably come out cheaper.
No.
Maybe not.
Probably
It'd be more work.
Probably the same.
Yeah. Well, it depends on how many you're making though too. How many flavors.
I'm gonna finish. I was bleeding.
Oh my God.
Dull ass butter knife. I mean, butter knife. Wow.
Butcher knife. Butcher.
Haha.
And there you go.
All right.
Okay. We'll come back when we done. Okay, this one right here is the Nashville hot chicken.
Bussin'.
It is. And then this one is, as you can see, lemon pepper. Can't go wrong.
Bussin'.
With that. And this one right here is just seasoned with garlic salt.
And that's gonna be buffalo.
Yep. We gonna put the buffalo on afterwards. Y'all gonna see.
Okay, get your pretty hands dirty. What's funny?
You really?
Go ahead.
Do you see these nails?
Yeah, go ahead, get them in there. They ain't gonna mess them up, is it?
Yeah.
You can wash it off, right? It ain't gonna stain them, right?
I don't know. It might.
I don't know. I'm not a.
I ain't sure either. Yeah, I'll do this. No, I can't do that.
Yeah, do that one then. Do you like chicken or not?
I do like chicken.
Then touch it like you like it.
But it's going underneath my nails. That's why I don't like it. You see that?
Can
You got me doing this, and it's going underneath my nails.
Can you rinse it out?
I would have to do all this and got me doing this with nails on. He don't love me like he said he do.
They think they love him, but I love them all. Okay, let's get a hand in there. Clean hand? Let's go in there.
Come on now. You're doing too much.
See that? That's how women do chicken. It's how guys do chicken.
This how I do it. Look at my nails.
We're gonna mix the chicken. We'll be back, man. She tweaking. She tweaking. So I just coated the pan with some canola oil.
Organic.
Or man, it ain't gotta be organic. You ain't gotta do this. It's optional. I just don't like it sticking to this metal thing. You know, I'm from the hood. You know, we put our pizza pans upside down. You feel me? Me, I ain't had no portrait, babe, but you know, my wife don't do what she's supposed to do. Sorry. Why you looking at me like that?
Cause I'm finna say, don't go there.
Anyway, she laid this
We
out.
are a team, so we don't do what we supposed to do.
She laid this out perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do the next one the same way, and the next one the same
like this.
way. That's that Memphis right there. I love that Memphis. That's gonna be buffalo. That is lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, buffalo. Dang.
You dang. I'm trying to, what's the name? And you in my
Memphis.
way.
Shoot. There's gonna be a problem on this video. Wife got lemon pepper right here. It's gonna be buffalo. That Memphis. I'm gonna go zoom in on that Memphis right quick. Look at that. Jesus Christ. So the Memphis is all mine, right?
No.
You want the buffalo though, right?
So?
I'll take the Memphis.
No.
Hot chicken. You can have the buffalo.
Last I remember, I picked that up.
Last time I remember, you took a vow to obey me.
That's a good one, but no.
Let's put them in the whatchamacallit. So this is the air fryer we have. Power air fryer. Jesus Christ, go back to middle school, boy. Jesus Christ. Power air fryer pro. This is the big boy. This is the big boy right here. This is not the small joint. Which if you got the small one, it's fine. If you got a decent sized one, it's fine. I just like this one. I like these ones because they got the racks on them. Most air fryers just got like a little pan you sit the chicken in and it just sit there. I don't like that. I like the fact they have racks in it and you can put more stuff in it. So
And a whole chicken.
and you can put a whole chicken in there. So yeah. So that's what we're working on right there. That's oh my god, this thing don't work. Can you press the button?
Close it.
Oh, you gotta close it for it to work? I knew that. Hey, you too. I was playing with y'all, man. Lemon pepper to the top. You go.
He moved the. You gotta push this in all the way too. I don't want to burn my damn hand.
Push it on.
Okay, but he moved the lemon pepper that was at the bottom to the top, and the one that's gonna be the buffalo, he moved it from the top down to the bottom, and he left the Nashville right in the middle. And it restarted.
So these are the Memphis.
Lemon pepper
Lemon pepper.
and buffalo.
Buffalo. I think it came out good. What about you?
I think they did too. I'm still finna sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper on this buffalo. You just have to. Hands, y'all.
That's from the thumbnail. She gonna try them. Go ahead, try them. Let's get him a lemon pepper right here. This lemon pepper. Look at that. Jesus Lord. That's lemon pepper right there in your face. Let's see, can I get all three of them at once? Probably can't. That's Memphis. Go ahead. How it taste?
Good.
Good? Damn. How it taste?
Good.
Good?
Just sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper on there. We'll be busting in.
That's hot.
Need some water?
I'm good. I'm a man.
This hot.
That's not hot.
Yes, it is.
That's lemon pepper.
The man got the spot. It does that buffalo to the side of it.
Did it? Oh, yeah, it did. You might be right. Eat that side. Mm-hmm.
This side?
Yep.
I just want to get them a setup like how I want to do everything, like, because I'm going to have us cook the food, then eat it together. So I gotta get the perfect setup. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm not gonna record this whole thing, but you want some of that Memphis?
This is hot.
Go get some of that Memphis.
It's good, but it's hot.
Get some of that Memphis in you.
Mine's not hot.
Look at that Memphis. Go get some of that Memphis.
Mom, you should get some of these.
Alright, ask y'all a question too.
Okay.
What's y'all favorite? Flats or drums? I like flats.
I want to say something. I try to say something.
I think Tony's is drums. Is it?
I don't care.
There.
If it's chicken, don't matter to me.
I want to see.
You know?
I like flats.
You see how she cleaned that bone off right there, YouTube? That's not me. This is how I eat chicken. Right here. Let me tell you. Lemon pepper. I'm gonna get you some. Right? Show you how I eat chicken.
Daddy, I can't see. Daddy, I can't see. Daddy, I can't see.
This chicken gone. Right?
No, it's not. You still have meat on there.
It's gone.
It is meat. Look at this. Meat. This is all meat.
I'm not doing all that.
Now you can throw it out.
I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that. Definitely not doing all that.
You tripping. You just wasting meat.
Now I know you're not gonna see him watch her eat all them wings, cause she not gonna eat all them wings. So it's not,
No,
we don't
I'm
get
not.
down like that.
No.
So we'll see you guys on the next one. We love y'all. Be safe. And yeah, we love ya. Stay safe. Love you. Subscribe. Peace.